Today I want to talk about the topic, can diversity help to conserve resources? How can that work? Perhaps you have already looked at our catalog and asked yourself the question, why does Igus actually have so many cables in the catalog? And why is that conserving resources? I'd like to explain this here on the flip chart. You're talking about a control cable family CF8800504. It's a 4-conductor cable with a cross-section of 0.5 square millimeter. The outer jacket sheet, it's PVC jacket. And this cable is typically usable for application indoor, woodwork machines, stonework machines, all kind of applications indoor without chemical influence to the jacket material. The bending radius for the cable is 12.5 times D, and we guarantee a lifetime of 5 million cycles inside an E-chain. The price is relatively low. We are talking about 0.64 euro per meter cable for a cable with 5 million cycles lifetime guarantee. That's a great solution. At the other side is the CF98 plus 0504, also with 4 conductors and 0.5 square millimeter cross section. We are talking about exactly the same electrical cable. Control cable, 4 conductors, 0.5 square millimeter. In this case we are using a kind of TPE jacket. The special for Igus developed jacket material is resistant against, I would say, against everything. Highly oil resistant, low temperature, high temperature, perfect for really harsh environment application. The bending radius of this cable, it's, now it comes, 3 times D only, 4 times smaller bending radius compared to this cable family or cable type. And now it comes. We guarantee, the guarantee lifetime is 100 million cycles. And now we are talking about costs. We're talking about a cost of more than 46 euro per meter. So you could see a clear difference between 0.64 euro cent per meter and 46 euro per meter. And only these examples with we do have more than 13 different control cables with the same number of conductors, same cross sections, 13 families with different mechanical design, different jacket materials, different bending radius for different kind of application. Electrical identical control cables. And with this combination of 13 different families, we can combine the economy efficiency and resource saving selection of cables. After all, the cheapest cable is not always the best solution, because cable failure can create economy damages, but more important is it questionable in terms of environment policy. Even the most expensive solution makes sense where it's really technically necessary. And there are many different applications which we can fulfill with 13 different designs, mechanical designs. And that's the reason why Igus offers so many electrical identical but mechanical different cable types. And Igus is able to offer for more or less every each application the best commercial and resource and saving cable solution. In any case, the chainflex service life calculator, which we will present in another video, helps with the selection. I hope this shortly helped you, and if so, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please write us in comment below or to the following email address. Thank you very much.